Hello folks, I am Rachit. I am from Taiwan, India. So we are basically a Korean MNC which deals with BLDC motors and compressors to LG. So we are basically OEMs to LG. We have started this new domain which is called Whifa fans. So Whifa fans is basically into ceiling fans and ventilation fans. So with this BLDC ceiling fan and ventilation fan, we have come up with this innovative technology which is called BLDC technology, which is brushless direct current. We have come up with an innovative thing which is called a ceiling fan, which is BLDC based. Now in this BLDC based ceiling fan, we have what we have done is we have removed this regulator, this convention regulator, which we used to put it on our walls. Now instead of that thing, we have introduced this remote. Now this remote is a regulator which we are providing you in your hands. So instead of putting it on your wall, we are giving it in your hands. So you can control your ceiling fan with this remote. First thing is this. Second thing, the consumption of this fan is only up to 35 watt. The conventional fans which is available in Indian market, the AC type ceiling fan, which comes up to I suppose 80 and 85 watts. If we are comparing with this thing, it is only comes in 30 to 35 watt maximum with the remote control. Vision. So our vision is performance zyada and bill aadha, which is our tagline as well. So with this, we want our customers to with this fan so that they can perform much better with a reduced electricity bill of, let's say, up to 55%. If I'll talk about my strategy and upcoming plans for marketing in Indian market, so what we are doing is we are like coming up with more and more models, different varieties with designs and technology yet again, in which these fans will be working on Wi-Fi also. And as on date it is working on IR, but yes, we are having a plans. We are coming up with different designs and models along with Wi-Fi thing also. So this is it, friends. Thank you.